Get your weights. The dumbbell chop starts off this first routine. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! Arms in the air. You're doing great. Feet further apart. That's the way. And done. You'll want to grab your dumbbells next for the Dumbbell X. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And go. Arms straight. Yes! And that's that. We'll do the dumbbell chop for the next exercise. All set? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Arms on the beat. Perfect. Good one. That was a very solid score. Good work throughout. Pause here. The dumbbell deadlift starts this routine. This one's subtle but effective. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Go! Excellent. Back lower. Take a second. Let's do the braced squat next. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bravo! Good! Take a breather. I believe we'll do the dumbbell row next. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And go. Great score. That's a high-level workout. Take a break here. To start with the slow mountain climb, face the same way as your coach. Start in a push-up position. And 3, 2, 1. Go! We're done. Now, the up and down plank. face the same way as your coach. All set? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We'll pause here. Now, the fast mountain climb. Face the same way as your coach. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And go. Keep it going. Sideways like your coach. Nice. Well done. That is a great score. Excellent work. A short break right here would be good. This next routine will start with the dumbbell chop. Use your obliques to twist as your arms come down and across. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Go! Raise your arms a bit. That's right. That's good. Tiny breather. Grab your dumbbells and let's do the Dumbbell X. And 3, 2, 1. And go. Arms should be straight. Keep going. Quick pause. All right, the dumbbell chop is next. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Watch that your arms are in rhythm. Very good. Keep it up. Very good work. You earned that score with such a great workout. Pause here. This one starts with the dumbbell deadlift. Let's strengthen our backs. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lower your back. That's the way. That's plenty. How about the braced squat now? All set? 3, 2, 1. Go! Arms a little higher. Bravo! Arms a little lower. Pause here. Let's get in a good dumbbell row next. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And go. Back higher. Nice score. Let's go even higher next time. Let's take a short break here.